Hello, Namaste to you all. Jai Kalfi Krishna, all my friend. I hear Pankaj again come with a spiritual topic, that is Guru Mantra. What is Guru Mantra and why it is so important to all the sadhak which are there in this spiritual path? The mantra which is given by the Guru itself is known as Guru Mantra. You have seen some of them are chanting mantra by its own or taking mantra from internet. It does not work because the mantra is not in Siddh form. If the mantra is in Siddh by the Guru, means all the vibrational energy from the cosmic to the universe are put inside the mantra and supplying to you. It's play the miracle role to you, because if you are chanting the mantra, then you are directly connected to the universe, that energy of potentium to the God. What actually happens when you are chanting the mantra? When you are chanting the mantra, then it charges all your neurons, and the neurons keep boosting your all the vacuum which is inside your head and connecting to the surrounding energy. The surrounding energy is nothing but the cosmic energy. There is exchange of energy take place from your inside to the outside, and the transfer of energy from outside is directly put it into the Mooladhara. When it directly put it in Mooladhara, it's boosting your Mooladhara, means Kundalini, and attacking all the chakras which are there inside your astral body. When all the chakras portal get open, then the sadhak gets self-actualized, and you can also say enlightened. This way, how the mantra works. In simple term, if I want to explain you what is mantra is like a password of the Wi-Fi which is connected to the internet. Mantra is password and Wi-Fi is your brain, and the internet is the Akash Muladhara. You can also say as the root chakra of the God. When you chanting the mantra in your mind, then you are directly connected to the God, from where the siddhi and all the energy are taking. From where you taking the siddhi? The siddhi and everything is energy taking from the sahasrar. Thus, that sahasrar I am talking is the brain. When brain sahasrar, means the scalp sahasrar is get open, then it connected to the internet, means the Akash Muladhara or root chakra of the God, from where you are taking the all the energy. For me, where I have taken the mantra, I have taken the mantra in a Diksha form from the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda, from where I have taken the Sakti paths from him. From few days ago, I have taken the Sakti path from the Guru Paramhans Vinodananda. I don't know how to go deep inside the meditation. The mantra which is given by my Guru Paramhans Vinodananda is in Siddhkom. Whenever I chanting the mantra in my mind, I go in the deep stages of the meditation. It's play miracle role in my life. So at last, I want to tell you, don't waste your time in chanting a mantra from anywhere else. Go take a mantra diksha from the Siddh Guru or self-actualized Guru, or you can say the enlightened Guru, that play your miracle role in your life. Thank you for listening this video. Thank you all.